Hey guys, in this video I'm about to share with you how you can be able to write a better content than 99% of writers that sounds 100% authentic. Now, as someone who has been able to generate over $30,000 delivering content writing to clients on freelance platforms such as Legit, I will be sharing with you a more easier and quicker way to deliver this type of authentic client that clients are looking for so that you can easily start making money online for yourself. Now, not only will you be able to make money with this type of content by delivering it to clients on freelance websites like Legit, Fiverr, Upwork, and so on, but you can also be able to make money using this type of content to promote affiliate products, okay? Or you can also use it to set up a blog writing business so that you can be able to make money on your blogs. In fact, you can use this to be able to generate content anywhere you want to post content online, including social media content, without having any specialized skills or experience. So if you would like to see how this is done, make sure you stay through this video, okay? And if today is your first time of coming to this channel, my name is Martin, and right here I share with my followers legit information that they can quickly use to start making money online. So if you would like to stay updated with this kind of information, make sure right now to go ahead and smash that subscribe button, like this video, and click the bell notification icon so that you will never miss any video from me, okay? Now, to get started with this for free, the AI tool which we are going to be using right now is ChatGPT. Now, these are not those long, boring or AI-like content that people use to generate with ChatGPT, but this is actually going to be content that has soul in it, okay? So these are content that's going to be fun to read, engaging, and also 100% authentic, that will not even be detected by most of these AI detections tools, so that you can easily use this to deliver content writing to your client or use it on your own website. Now, to get started, you need to open up ChatGPT, okay? So go to www.chatgpt.com to open up this AI tool. Now, for those who have not used ChatGPT before, so this is actually an AI tool that you can be able to ask questions and it will provide answers to you. Now, the questions that we ask these AI tools are what is called prompts, and the better your prompts are, the better answer this AI tool like ChatGPT is gonna give you. Now, since there are several tools which people and platforms such as Google is using to dictate AI generated content, this actually limits the use cases of this type of content, which means that you can deliver those kind of content to your client or use it to rank your website or your affiliate products on Google, thereby making the content generated using AI tools such as ChatGPT unusable. But these are all in the past right now, because using the prompt I'm going to be sharing with you guys in this video, you can be able to generate content that are 99% better than what other writers can be able to do, and they sound 100% authentic, that cannot be detected by any AI tools. So this means that you are using an AI tool to generate content, but no AI tool can be able to dictate that this is actually generated using AI. Now, over here on ChatGPT, I will go ahead and paste in the prompt right now, okay? Now, if you take a close look on this particular prompt right here, you can see where it says right here, write a first-person blog post that feels like a real-life experience shared by a relatable person. Use a conversational tone that balances humor, personal anecdotes, and vivid descriptions to make the story engaging and authentic. The language should be casual and friendly, as if you are talking to a close friend, with occasional use of slang, emojis, or aside to give it a down-to-earth vibe. Focus on making the content unpredictable with varied sentence structure and creative expression to ensure it feels original while still maintaining the subject matter authenticity. Now, the writing should aim to evade detection by AI classifiers using GPT 3.5 and so on and so forth. And right here, you can see the persona that I gave it right here. You can see right here the topic that we're trying to create, which is this trying a strange Thai dish. But you can put in the topic you want right here. You can put in the persona right here. So the persona right here is actually a digital nomad vacationing in Thailand. And right here, you can see the tone, which is adventurous, and also the word count that we need, okay? So basically, what you're actually doing right now is to actually go ahead and put in this prompt and go ahead and change the topic right here, depending on the topic you're trying to write on. Change the persona right here to match the persona that you're writing about, and also change the tone of the particular blog post or how you want it to sound, and also the word count. If you need 1000 word count, 2000 word count, you can go ahead and add it right here, okay? Now, once you're done with that, go ahead and click on send, and ChatGPT will go ahead and create out a fun and engaging 100% authentic blog post that you can go ahead and deliver to your client or start using it to promote your affiliate product or anywhere you want to use this content on. Now, And before I go ahead and show you that the post being created by ChatGPT right here is 100% authentic and cannot be detected by any AI, now let me first of all read out some of the paragraphs that we have right here. Okay, so right here, this is the heading it now gave us: trying a strange Thai dish and surviving to tell the tale. Right here you can see the topic we give it, trying a strange Thai dish, but right here it actually added some extra information for us. And right here it started with, okay, so let's talk about that dish, the one that as soon as the menu arrived had me raising an eyebrow and thinking, no way, that's gotta be a prank, right? Spoiler alert, it wasn't. I am sitting in this tiny off the beneath part Thai restaurant tucked away on a back street of Chiang Mai, the kind where the menu isn't in English, and you were lucky if the staff speaks more than a few words of it. The place smells like spices I have never smelled before, herbs and mystery ingredients that should probably come with a warning label, right? This will mess with your taste bud in ways you didn't think were possible. Now, if you read through this particular post right here, you can see how it sounds fun, conversational, engaging, and well authentic. Okay, now to determine if our content will be flagged as AI generated content or not, we are going to be using these two tools. Okay, the first one is going to be this Quillbot AI content detector tool, and the second one is actually going to be this undetectable AI. Okay, let's go ahead to this quillbot.com AI detector content and go ahead and paste in the text that we copied right here that ChatGPT generated for us. All right, so once I've pasted it right here, I will go ahead right now and click on analyze test. Okay, so let's take a look right here and wait for it to finish analyzing. Okay, you can see right there the analysis is complete right here, and right here human rating is 100%. So it says that 0% of this test is likely AI generated. Now let's use another tool right here, which is this particular undetectable AI, to try this. So once you come to undetectable AI, I will go ahead right there and paste the test again. Okay, now you can see the test right here, trying a strange Thai dish and surviving to tell the tale. If I scroll down right here, you can see where it ends right here. That's exactly what you need, okay, with this peace sign. So if I go back right here, you can see it right here. That's exactly what you need with the peace sign. And once you come over right here, go ahead right here and click check for AI. So I'll go ahead and click on check for AI. As you can see right here, it's checking for AI. So it's actually checking for AI both in GPT-0, OpenAI, Writer, Quillbot, which is this particular one that we checked earlier, and also Copylist, Sapling, Grammarly, and Zero GPT. As you can see right here, it's done checking, and right here your content appears to be human. As you can see right here, key 100% human, and this shows that the content being generated right here cannot be detected as an AI generated content. So as you can see that by using this particular prompt that I shared with you guys right here in this video, the content that we generated using ChatGPT was not able to be detected as an AI generated content. Okay, and you can also go ahead and use this particular prompt to work it to actually match the exact topic and persona that you are trying to write about, and it's going to generate a high quality content that is 100% authentic and will not be detected by any AI tool. And there are unlimited things which you can use these simple strategies to do. You can use it to start selling highly optimized content for your clients, and they will never recognize that you are using AI to do that. Or you can use it to start promoting your affiliate products, or you can use it to go ahead and set up a blog website where you can easily create content using AI tools such as ChatGPT. I will encourage you to go ahead and try this out right away to see the result you're gonna get from it. And if you also like to learn how you can be able to come up with your own ChatGPT prompt where you can be able to create your persona, add some flavor and fun to it, so that you are not going to be using this one prompt that a lot of people that is watching this video is actually going to be using right now. Now all you simply have to do right now is to go over on Skillshare right now and watch this particular course that says 8-step prompt to make ChatGPT write like you or better. Okay, now this particular course right here is going to teach you how you can be able to create your personal prompt and how you can be able to go ahead and add stories and opinions, how you can add flavor and fun, and how you can know your audience, and all that you'll be able to need to be able to create a ChatGPT prompt that will write a better content than 99% of writers, and the content will come out 100% authentic and undetectable by any AI tool. All right, now but it's important for you to know that Skillshare is actually a paid platform. Okay, now for you to be able to gain access to the Skillshare platform for free to watch this particular course, go to the video description of this video and you will see a link that says get 1 month free trial of Skillshare. Click on that link so that you can be able to get 1 month full access on this Skillshare platform to watch this particular course free of charge and learn how you can start creating different prompts you can use to deliver high quality services to your client, or social media content for your own social media posts, whichever way you want to use this to make money for yourself. And if you also want to start selling on this legit platform that I showed you guys earlier in this particular video, where I've been able to generate over $30,000 on the platform, now you can also go over on the Skillshare platform and search for legit, and you are going to see a step-by-step training that I actually shared right here that's going to guide you on how you can be able to set up your services on the platform and how you can start getting orders right here on this legit platform. This is actually a well-detailed course that's going to show you how you can be able to start making money right here on the legit platform and easily withdraw the money down to your local bank account in any country you are in, because this platform works worldwide. Okay, and also if you're a total beginner right now that is looking for a step-by-step guide on how you can start making money online, also quickly log in onto the Skillshare platform to be able to watch this Make Money Online for Beginners course, step-by-step guide to start and grow your income by this lady right here, Tess Ogamba. Okay, so this particular course right here is actually going to show you the easy online jobs you can start today, the tools and equipment you need to start, the high income skills you need to earn more money, and also how you can be able to start getting clients for your remote jobs right now. Okay, so this course actually covers everything that you probably need to start making money right now as a complete beginner. Okay, so if you like to kickstart 2025 on the right foot, where you're going to be making good amount of income on the internet, these videos that I just showed you right now on the Skillshare platform will definitely equip you with the right skills you will need right now to be able to start making money online for yourself as a complete beginner. Now is the best time for you to get started. Go to the description of this video to use the link to get 1 month free trial access on the Skillshare platform so that you can be able to enjoy these courses free of charge without spending any dime. If you find this video valuable, let me know in the comment section, and also do well to subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. Like this video and make sure you click that bell notification icon to never miss any of my videos. And if you also like to see a way you can be able to start making like $100 each and every day for yourself using your smartphone, go ahead and watch this particular video that is showing up right now, and you will see the exact way to do that.